We're here. It's going well.
Now
Like Aldor.
Now you're.
That's the maca.
That's the mock.
No, white.
All these people. Is this transcript, this whole thing, like?
You can put it up if you want. I'm just recording.
Yeah, you should post it to the novelty list.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a novel, right? And a lot of people on the novelty list.
Oh, there it is. The answer. The bicycle is supposed to transform into a sewing machine, but only if they are independently operating table. Yes, smiling. You want to do some talking? Tell them.
We just changed into Zork. We're now Zork, a bug-eyed green lawnmower.
Oh,
There.
that's
Can
the
you see
character.
me? I'm not...
Yeah, well, people are coming and going.
Oh,
For the Macarena, I think it's time for me to go back to the U. Someone found an elf. Somebody's having a bad trip. Bizarre costumes.
yeah.
The city was packed with drunken costumed people, and there were bands playing in several different piazzas. It was like the masquerade balls you see in movies, except for rave music in one part of the city and ska in another. The fuzz, the snow crash.
I can do that. Let me get this. And turn to the right.
Turn the camera to the right.
And click
Right, you
there.
have to get rid of this one.
There we go.
There, okay.
Here's what I'll do. I'll say, everyone, a transcript will be posted, and
Terence,
pictures
What are you trying to face me
will be
again?
posted on the what site?
CGG site.
What's the URL? Do you know what it is?
What, of Levity?
Yeah.
Levity, it's www.levity.com/eschaton. Yeah. Now you see. You're Telegram. You mean it'll come apart into a marching band?
Or it'll clone other beings.
I've done that. But do you think, you don't sound like you're of the school that thinks that we're close to some kind of AI, and that when it goes over the threshold within a matter of hours, it will just inflate into some kind of thing that we can't even relate to and will be of no interest to?
No, I think, of course, it's hard, no one's defined intelligence and consciousness. I think that people underestimate the trial and error, the error proneness of living processes.
But on the other hand, the iteration speed of these machine life is so fast.
But there's a difference. The ecosystems that they're living in are extremely arid. They're basically life living in these very narrow tubes connected by very chancy processes.
You mean the wires?
The wires, and the servers and things, if that's how it stays. And whereas an ocean, an ocean with a billion trillion parallel processes and black smokers and super plumes going up and carrying life around is a massively different ecosystem, where you could have a lot of things happening at once on the same beast, a lot of reactions that happen at the same time. And I think the error rate is always the crippling factor. Why, for instance, didn't we invent, all the science fiction, we invent something that eats all silicon or that comes down to the earth and eats all carbon-based lives and we're all gone. And I think it doesn't happen because general purpose things are hard to, they're really ill-suited for survival. And then when you're specific purpose, you're prone to lots of errors.
Yeah, we got 3 more.
Tell us when.
We're cool.
We're being recorded.